Greetings, my name is Daniel Boudreau from naturalmattressfinder.com. Today we're going to be going over the Luxury Bliss Hybrid Natural Mattress from Plush Beds. The Luxury Bliss mattress is a hybrid natural latex mattress. This means that the inner layers are composed of two distinct components, a pocketed coil layer and a solid layer of 100% natural Dunlop latex. The pocketed coil layer is a total of 8 inches thick. The latex layer is 3 inches thick, and the wool fire barrier and cotton cover make up the remaining 1 inch for a total of 12 inches. This is a great natural latex mattress for a wide range of body types. So if you're a heavyweight person that's 250 pounds and over, the Luxury Bliss will provide continuous support and pressure relief thanks to the 8-inch hybrid coil system and the 3-inch Dunlop latex layer. The 8-inch coil layer provides the necessary support that heavyweight people need and will not bottom out. Latex core mattresses that are also referred to as all latex mattresses, these are mattresses that don't have coils in them, are not recommended for people over 250 pounds because you do run the risk of them bottoming out, and when that happens you get less and less ventilation happening throughout the mattress. So natural latex foam as well as polyurethane foam loses its ability to provide pressure relief over a certain amount of compression. A hybrid mattress can handle much more compression than an all latex mattress and still provide pressure relief. A hybrid mattress like the Luxury Bliss will keep heavyweight people afloat. The 3-inch Dunlop latex layer and the 8-inch coil layer provide continuous pressure relief regardless of the weight of the person lying on the mattress. Medium weight sleepers, this is for people that are 160 to 250 pounds. People that are around the 160 pound range tend to be most comfortable with the medium firmness, while people that are closer to the 250 pound range should consider going with the medium firm option. Light sleepers. People that are about 160 pounds and below are most comfortable on the medium firmness mattress. The medium firm Dunlop layer has just the right amount of pressure relief or give for lightweight back sleepers, side sleepers, and all-around sleepers. So you might be asking yourself, which firmness of the Luxury Bliss should I choose? Side sleepers. The medium firmness is best for side sleepers because it allows for more pressure relief at the shoulders and hips. Side sleepers need more pressure relief because their weight is more concentrated at the hips and shoulders. All-around sleepers. Choose the medium option. If you spend a lot of time sleeping on your side, then you may find the medium firm option too hard. Back sleepers may be more comfortable on the medium firm option. Since your body weight is more spread out while you're sleeping on your back, you do not need as much pressure relief as a side sleeper. Stomach sleepers. The medium firm option is best for stomach sleepers. The added firmness will prevent the hips from sinking too much into the mattress and create stress on the spinal column. And now let's review the specifications of the Plush Beds natural latex mattress. Every possible specification from materials to third-party certifications to warranty and manufacturing will be covered in this Plush Beds Luxury Bliss review. Don't miss the FAQ section towards the end of this video to get answers to some common questions. A hybrid mattress made with nature's finest and most durable bed materials. The Luxury Bliss mattress by Plush Beds is a hybrid mattress, meaning that the inner layers consist of a fabric encased coil layer and a latex foam layer. It's a hybrid between coils and latex foam. The advantage of this type of mattress is that it has the classic bouncy feeling of a spring mattress. It also ventilates very well since air can pass freely between the coils. The disadvantage of the Luxury Bliss is that it's not customizable. The cover of this mattress is not zippered, so you don't have access to the inner layers. Typically, customizable mattresses are latex core or all latex mattresses that do not have a coil layer. Materials. So from top to bottom we have an organic cotton cover, Joma wool, a 3-inch 100% natural Dunlop latex layer, and an 8-inch fabric encased coil layer. The organic cotton cover together with the Joma wool add a comfortable 1 inch of padding to the mattress. The Joma wool that is quilted into the cover material acts as the fire barrier. This natural latex mattress is made from natural materials that are sourced locally and globally. For example, the latex foam is sourced from global producers because there is no latex foam production in the United States. The climate does not allow for it. The Dunlop natural latex foam in the Luxury Bliss is imported as a finished material from various global sources. Natural latex is produced in tropical regions of Indonesia, Southeast Asia, and South America. Now let's go over the third-party certifications for the Luxury Bliss. Green Guard Gold. This certification ensures that the materials in the Luxury Bliss do not emit any VOCs or toxins into the air inside your home. USDA Organic. That's for the cotton and latex. The latex and cotton in the Luxury Bliss meet the most stringent standards for organic certification. GOLS. The Global Organic Latex Standard monitors the latex production from the latex plantation to the final foam product. Producers must respect strict environmental and social regulations to get this certification. OECOTEX Standard 100. This ensures that potentially toxic ingredients in textile products are below a certain threshold. Eco Institute. This standard ensures that the product does not emit any harmful gases or allergens. GOTS Organic. This certification applies to all the textile materials within the Luxury Bliss, notably the organic cotton cover. In addition to the organic certification, the cotton is produced by following social and environmental standards. Eco Wool. This is wool that has been processed by the Wool Gather Carding Mill in Montague, California. The mill follows a set of processing standards. The standards include proper grazing methods, humane predator control that relies on dogs and larger animals to keep the predators at bay. They also ensure that healthy veterinarian practices are used, and they ensure that there is a chemical control whenever certain chemicals are used in the processing of the wool. The sheep cannot graze on fields that have been treated with pesticides or herbicides. So you might be thinking of purchasing a Plush Beds Luxury Bliss mattress, but you're wondering about the buying experience. So the Luxury Bliss by Plush Beds is delivered to your door free of charge. You have 100 nights to try it out. If it doesn't meet your expectations, you can return it for free for a full refund. Since mattresses cannot be resold after the trial period, Plush Beds will arrange for a local Goodwill organization to come and pick up the mattress. The Luxury Bliss is backed by a 25-year limited warranty that covers any manufacturer's defects. Sizing and firmness. The Luxury Bliss is available in every standard mattress size, including twin, twin XL, full, queen, king, California king, and split king. The Luxury Bliss is available in medium or medium firm. In the medium firm version, the only difference is that the 3-inch natural latex foam layer will be denser and thus give you a firmer sleep surface. Let's go over some of the motion isolation properties for the Luxury Bliss mattress. The Luxury Bliss provides the ideal sleep surface for couples thanks to the motion isolating properties of the individually wrapped coil layer. Since every coil is independent, any motion created by a partner is greatly attenuated. Add the motion isolating properties of natural latex foam and you have a non-toxic bed that is ideal for couples. The fabric encased coils also provide pinpoint pressure relief where you need it most. For side sleepers, the coils under your hips will compress and follow your body line. This helps alleviate soreness that is felt in joints and articulations. The coils are 16 gauge with 15 gauge coils along the perimeter of the mattress. Gauges with a smaller number are thicker. The stronger 15 gauge coils along the perimeter of the mattress provide edge support while you're lying close to the side and when you're sitting on the edge of the mattress. About the Dunlop natural latex layer. The Dunlop latex layer excels in breathability and contouring. Since it's a full 3 inches in thickness, it can accommodate heavy body weights and remain breathable. Many people that sleep on natural latex foam for the first time notice that it gives them a light and buoyant feeling. This can be attributed to the unique contouring properties of the natural latex foam. Besides excelling in comfort and breathability, the natural latex layer has several additional advantages. It has antimicrobial properties. It's mildew resistant, mold resistant. It inhibits bacterial growth. There are no off-gassing chemicals, no VOCs, and no toxic chemical smell. Let's talk about the different bed frames that you can set the Luxury Bliss on. You can set it on a box spring or foundation, a slatted base. Just remember that the slats can be no more than 3 inches apart. You can put it on a platform bed and even an adjustable bed. So the Luxury Bliss is flexible enough to be used on an adjustable bed because it's shipped to you compressed and rolled. Putting it on a flexible base will not damage it, and it will react fine to the different positions you can get with an adjustable bed. So let's go over some of the pros and cons of the Luxury Bliss mattress by Plush Beds. So for the pros, we know that it's all natural, there's no off-gassing, so it has no toxic smells when you unwrap it from once you get it, once it's shipped. It will have some smell because it's a natural product, so the latex does have a faint smell, the cotton has a faint smell, the wool does have a faint smell, but it's not something that you will be able to smell through a mattress protector and sheets. Also, you'll be sleeping on your pillow. And I want to note that this, if there are smells from the mattress, they're non-toxic. Whereas if you order a polyurethane mattress, the smell will be very offensive. It will smell like chemicals. It will smell very strong. It might give you a headache. And if you've ever walked into a tire shop and noticed that very chemical smell, it's something like that. It's something that's emanating particles into the air that you're breathing in. Those are toxic VOCs, and they end up into your bloodstream and can cause some health problems and health issues in the long term. So moving on with more pros of this mattress, we know that every material is third-party certified. You have a 100-night sleep trial. It has fabric encased coils. It's made in the USA, and it's the most economical of the 3 Plush Beds natural latex mattresses. The other mattresses are the Botanical Bliss and the Natural Bliss, both of which are all latex mattresses. That means that the core is made of layers of latex. They don't have any spring coils like the Luxury Bliss. So I'm going to address some of the common questions that people may have when they're considering the Luxury Bliss as their next mattress. So does the Luxury Bliss require assembly? The answer is no. It arrives at your door fully assembled. You only need to remove the plastic film that is used to compress the mattress for shipping. Are there any fire retardant chemicals in the mattress? No. The Joma wool that is quilted into the cotton cover material acts as the fire retardant layer. The keratin, protein, and moisture level of the wool make it an effective natural fire barrier. Additionally, it is soft and non-allergenic. Are there any glues or chemicals used in the mattress? No. The Luxury Bliss is made with all natural materials. I currently have an innerspring mattress and I frequently wake up with bad hip pain during the night. Will this mattress help with hip pain? The Luxury Bliss isn't like your typical innerspring mattress. The coils are fabric encased and individually wrapped. That means that each coil responds independently to every inch of your body, giving you superior pressure relief, minimal motion transfer, and a luxurious, buoyant feeling while you're falling asleep. The 3-inch, 100% natural latex top layer is very responsive. Think the opposite of memory foam. If you ever seen memory foam, you press your hand into it, and when you remove your hand, there's an indentation there that takes a long time to come back to normal, come back to its original shape. Natural latex is the complete opposite of that. You press your head down and remove it, and it bounces right back. This to me makes a lot more sense. I don't enjoy the feeling of sinking into the mattress every time I change positions. I would find that super distracting. But it is for some people. Some people quite enjoy memory foam. But from what I've seen, different comments online and speaking to people, most people are not fans of memory foam. So how firm is the Luxury Bliss? The Luxury Bliss is available in medium and medium firm. The medium is rated at 5.5 out of 10 and the medium firm is rated at 6.5 out of 10, with 10 being the firmest. So let's hear what people are saying about the Luxury Bliss by Plush Beds. Lonnie R writes, "We've been having fantastic sleep since we got it. There's so many great things about this mattress, I don't know where to begin. My husband and I especially love that the Luxury Bliss is organic and won't off-gas. Our sleep improved from the first night of sleeping on it. The support is consistent across the entire surface of the mattress. The coils really do provide great back support." Patsy M writes, "It's comfortable and supportive. My husband and I decided to purchase the Luxury Bliss after weeks of research. Our criteria was 100% natural latex with no polyurethane foam layers, no off-gassing, and a firm feel. I'm petite at 112 pounds and my husband weighs 165 pounds. We're all-around sleepers but mostly sleep on our side. It has been 3 weeks and we really love it. It has the firmness we were looking for and we got the medium firmness, and it has just the right amount of give. We enjoy the responsiveness and never enjoyed the sinking feeling you get with memory foam. The coils give excellent support and provide the bounce that we were used to with other mattresses. The 12-inch thickness is perfect for our bed frame. Overall, we love our Luxury Bliss mattress." So if you'd like to check out the complete review of this mattress and get a table with all the possible specifications of the Luxury Bliss, head over to my website at naturalmattressfinder.com. You can either find the link down below in the description or just go to my website and type Luxury Bliss into the search bar and it'll pop up right away. I'm also going to include a table where you can compare the Luxury Bliss, Botanical Bliss, and Natural Bliss. Those are the 3 mattresses by Plush Beds, a great company for if you're going for the natural latex mattress. The mattresses are reasonably priced and they're third-party certified from top to bottom. So you're really getting the real deal and you won't get a mattress with any glues, dyes, and fire retardant chemicals, and the materials are third-party certified. So I think it's a great choice, and the Luxury Bliss is great if you're looking for a hybrid mattress. So thanks for watching this video. My name is Daniel Boudreau from naturalmattressfinder.com. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope you get the best sleep of your life on a natural latex mattress. So see you in the next video. Thanks.